Hello everybody, it's CreativeSarah here, and today I'm going to make a really cool piece that's going to give my fall display a little height, okay? So I'm going to use our board and pedestal. This goes like this, and I'm going to create using the Autumn Gourds Thankful Life transfer, the Thankful Life side. And so in order to do that, gotta cut it off. This is really cool how you get 2 for 1. So you get 2 transfer designs. Let's actually coordinate. The Thankful Life is very fall-ish, Thanksgiving-ish. And then of course the pumpkins and gourds, which you can use as a background piece, or you can use these little guys individually. They're super cute. I have other plans for those, so we're not going to use those. We're going to use Live Thankful Life. Very simple today. So fast. This is a great beginner project. I'm going to mark the word back on the backer sheet, and I'm just going to peel it off. Know that our surface is a boutique surface, so we don't have to fuzz or really do much of anything here to prep our surface. Just kind of center that and get it on here with no wrinkles. There we go. Just kind of like pressing it in. Now, when I look back at what I've got going on, I have a lot of white, a lot of nominee, some orange, black, and so what I'm thinking, this is a black surface with wood. I've got a lot of wood back here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some white chalk paste on this, and I could take a little bit of gold with it. That's what I have over here, like the nominee. I know that this is out of stock. It's our color of the month. You can use our shimmer gold. I'll tell you another secret. It's not a secret. It's white out in the open. We are begging for this color to be a real color because it's amazing. And so I don't know if they will ever make this a real color nominee, but my heart, if they would. Love. All right, so I've got my white, I've got my nominee, and we're just going to pretty much, I'm grabbing some squeegees here. I gotta figure out what I want. I think we'll do, all right, I'm gonna do white pretty much on everything. And then what I'm gonna do is just that word thankful. We're gonna do in nominee. I love to have like a word stand out. You can turn this to get all the different parts. There we go. Get some of that extra over here. And then this because it has the pedestal is gonna be great to add height to my display. Get this luxurious color nominee, and just there we go. So beautiful. Peel. Oh, yes. All right. Okay, you guys, hey, you're just checking me out for the first time. You have not jumped into my free DIY and crafting group. You're going to want to do that. Go ahead and comment VIP, and I will send you a message with a link where you can join my free group. You're going to get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information, which is super important. Lots of good stuff going on in there. If you haven't joined our club yet, OMG, what are you waiting for? It's the perfect month to do it. We've got an enhanced program with a whole kit that comes to your door, shipped for free, $21.99 total. You get the transfer, the 3 chalk paste colors, plus a coordinating embellishment, which is awesome. So don't wait. Type club in the comments and I'll get you all the information. All right, you guys, this is super cute. I mean, it's great by itself, but I'm gonna add the pedestal. Because I am adding this to an arrangement, I don't think I'm even going to do any extra embellishments on this particular thing. I'm gonna set this back here, but we could also, I may need a riser. I want to use this to get some height. So if I pull this back, kind of pop this down, look at that. So I'm tying in the nominee from those other places. I've got a little bit of height. I could even pump it up just a little more with a riser underneath, but it fits right in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've ever been curious about becoming a designer, type team in the comments below. I will reach out, give you some info, and if you have questions, you can let me know. Super easy, no like commitment at all. I'm just giving you some information, and we have an amazing team and you would love to be part of it. I know it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you live tomorrow. Bye, everybody.